how to find block backward redirection settings on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find block backward redirection settings on Samsung internet browser. First thing, go to the browser and now click these three lines here in the bottom corner and click settings, and then just scroll down until you find the browsing privacy dashboard, and here you will find just scroll down, here you will find that block backward redirections. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.